Have you ever pulled an all-nighter or been so busy you've only gotten a few hours of sleep? What if you knew that this actually affects both your physical and mental health? Being college students, it's common we may not consider sleep as a priority over an assignment or upcoming exam. And even if sleep is something you prioritize, work, school, or stress can be a determining factor in your sleep schedule. Today, we will be discussing the ways this benefits and harms your mental and physical health, as well as a list of possible solutions to this issue. So, what are some positive and negative effects sleep has on mental health? Some of these benefits can include stress reduction, a decrease in the risk of possible mental illnesses, whether it be the development or worsening of symptoms, an improvement in process and recall of information, as well as an increase in emotional stability and response. However, there are various harmful effects lack of sleep can have on mental health, some of which can include unregulated emotional stability, resulting in mood swings, negative interactions, and reduced motivation. In addition, symptoms or the development of various mental health illnesses like depression, anxiety, paranoia, as well as mania can begin to present themselves. Furthermore, a lack of sleep impacts various factors of cognitive function, ranging from learning information, your ability to focus, recall, and make decisions and problem solve. And after understanding these positive and negative effects of your mental health, it's important to consider how sleep can also affect your physical health. So, what are some of these benefits and negative side effects? Some of these benefits and negative side effects include the balancing of hormones like ghrelin and leptin. These are hormones that make you feel full and impact your appetite, meaning when you have a lack of sleep, this can impact your likelihood of gaining or losing weight. In addition, when you have a healthy sleep schedule, you lower your cardiovascular risks, helping to heal and repair your heart and blood vessels. Furthermore, you avoid insulin increases that can be caused by sleep deficiency that lead to higher levels of glucose, meaning this can worsen your symptoms of diabetes and maybe even further symptoms that are caused by obesity with the imbalance of hormones. Furthermore, a lack of sleep can reduce our ability to build immunities to germs and illnesses because during our sleep cycle, our body helps to boost our immune system. Lastly, it decreases our risk of health complications or issues like heart disease, high blood pressure, obesity, and stroke. How can we improve our sleep schedules? Solutions. The biggest solution to solving your sleep schedule and improving your physical and mental health is consistency or circadian rhythm, as in how are you spending your 24 hours each day and are you doing this consistently? Some of the things that help with this is obviously scheduling in a dedicated 7 to 9 hours each night towards your sleep to ensure that you're remaining consistent. And this also means decreasing substance use with things like nicotine, caffeine, alcohol that can impact your ability to go to sleep and just generally affect your actual circadian rhythm when you're within sleep. In addition, prior to going to sleep, decreasing the use of exposure to electronics, devices, loud noises, lights, and higher energy activities will help to ensure that you're remaining consistent in your sleep schedule and that your brain knows when you are trying to power down to go to sleep. Lastly, avoiding naps is a great key step in ensuring you remain consistent within your sleep schedule because this can affect your overall rest and quality of sleep. In conclusion, today we have discussed the ways lack of sleep can affect mental and physical health. We've covered the numerous effects and improvements that can come from our sleep schedules as well as the solutions to this issue. So the next time you have a big assignment or exam, consider this. How can you ensure you are getting the required amount of sleep? And what tactics will you implement to ensure you are well rested?